Hey guys, what up? It's Mosey, and I'm back for another video. Today, stop it! Stop messing up my videos. Today I'm gonna do an all barbarian raid. I think it's 120 barbs. So yeah,
let's get this started.
Oh, yeah, I have two of my friends over. Somebody block that glare. Nick, put your hand right there. What is that glare? Oh, it's the light. Yeah, right there.
Let me just turn off. I'm gonna
do this. Yes, do that, please.
Okay, so let's just charge in there.
Okay, no more glare, no more glare.
No more glare.
Weird.
When you do these videos, you should start turning down your brightness. I think that's what's causing some of the glares.
Yeah, that's
probably.
The very bright brightness.
Dude, if that I was about to say, if that archer tower keeps on shooting at them, you might have it, but it stopped, so I don't know.
Oh yeah.
1 star.
If you can take out that archer tower.
I need to take out that mortar.
But you're close to the mortar, so it's
Of course, one.
Thank you,
one barbarian. Freaking thank God. Oh my God. Yes, the mortar's focused on those guys over there, so I'm gonna get that town hall.
Come on, go for the mortar. Someone for the. No, they didn't.
That one
barbarian is going ham on that mortar. Oh, dude, zoom out.
That one barbarian's going ham.
Said zoom out, not zoom in.
Yes.
Yes. And I believe that's 2 stars, and maybe I can get 3. Nope. That one archer tower.
Fail.
Whatever, I got the 2 stars. So
that was a pretty successful raid.
Yeah, but you didn't get all the elixir. You got most of the coins. Gold.
Let's just let the archer tower finish up. Okay. Let's see what I got. This wasn't really a raid one. It was more of a
see how many stars you can
trophies. Yeah. So 2 stars, 7,344 gold, 11,895 elixir, and 10 trophies, and my bonus of 2,000 of each.
And plus, there is an 82% of the total damage.
This
Yes.
is good. 2
Thank
stars.
you guys. Yep. Thank you guys all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And peace out.